So guys, here is my fish. I'm making fish pepper soup. As you can see, I'm just going to use these two fishes for my hubby's pepper soup. Like I told you guys, he's not feeling well and he's in the hospital right now. I have to go to Walmart so I can make like get things and then come home and make this pepper soup. So here are the things I'm going to be using. As you can see on this table, I have onion, I have some spring onion, I have uyayak, I have scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going in with 1 tomatoes. I have some chilies, I have my garlic, I have my ginger, I have my turmeric. So I'm using all of this for this pepper soup. Let me show you in case you like to use this for your pepper soup. Okay, I also have blended stuffs which will be going in. But first of all, guys, I am going to, this is my pot. Hot water is already on. We are using plantain like I said. Okay. So I've gone ahead to, chop my plantain to the sizes of my choice. First of all, I'm going to add plantain in here. I'm going to go in with plantain. The plantain has to start cooking before the fish gets in because I don't want the fish to break. I want it to be standing. I'm going to add some more water. Okay. I'm going to add some more water. Yes, I'll allow it to start cooking. I'm going to blend this right away. Just watch what I'm doing. Just to show you guys, I added a little bit of my dried peppers and I added my salt, a little bit of salt. I'm going to go in with my pepper soup ingredients, okay? So I'm going to go in with my pepper soup ingredients. I'm also going to go in with my uyayak. I like the flavor. Remember, I've added salt. I'm going to cover it up. While it's cooking, I'll go ahead and blend my fresh items, which are all of these. You can skip anything from here if you like. These are all my stuffs. I'm going to blend, blend, blend. This is what we have after blending. This is what it's looking like. So, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add my fish. Fishes. I'm actually using two so fishes. Guys. Oh man. It's a lot here today. I'm all by myself. But it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and add all of these beauties for my hobby. I'll show you other vegetables that will be going in. These are all herbs. This is bitter leaves, and this is my scent leaf, which is in chong from my garden. Okay, and the lemon and the what is that called again? I think onion. Yeah, it's from my garden. I'm gonna add some Maggi, guys. Let's go in with some Maggi. However you see this video, please just take it from me. I just want to get this thing out of the way and show you guys just like this because my whatever is giving me storage issue again. Okay, all right guys, stay tuned. I'm also going to add crayfish. pepper soup is ready. This doesn't take time, guys. The fish is ready, as you can see. You see. If you want to add vegetable, you can add. If you don't want to, that's okay. But yeah, it smells good here. It tastes fantastic. This is medicine. I will always tell you guys, for me, this is medicine. I'm going to go in with my chopped vegetables. I'm going to go in with lemon. This is lime, actually. This will help it to come together. Trust me. If you don't try it, you will not understand. For my vegetables, I have bitter leaf, I have scent leaf. I'll go in with it and our pepper soup is ready. I have one more medicine that is coming in, which is my lemongrass. Okay? And that will be it. Look at that. At this point, make sure you have lowered your heat. Okay? Guys, if you want to know more about my pepper soup medicine recipes, they are all on my channel. I'm just adding my lemongrass. You can choose to add, you can choose not to. But this is good. My husband will feel better. When I make this for him, he gets better. We haven't been able to do this for a little bit, but thank God I had the opportunity to do this. So this is it for our pepper soup. See our fish still standing. You can do this when your husband has sinuses or when he's running fever, when he's complaining about anything like inflammation, constipation, body pain, joint pain, and all of those. Make this for him. You will come back to say thank you, Gucci's Kitchen. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a massive thumbs up. Thank you for watching till now. God bless you. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. Ciao. Bye-bye.